I go by the name of CL21. It's been a long time coming, but we're here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. Uh-oh. You better get yours, stop getting mine.
Annyeonghaseyo, I am Mirsky and welcome back to my channel. Annyeonghaseyo, this is Mirsky and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, I created a Korean inspired makeup look. So this is in collaboration with Diane Says Flores. I will just link her info, or I will just link her YouTube channel in the description box. So yeah, we decided to create a collab, and we decided to do a collaboration and create a Korean makeup look. So this is how I do. This is how I created mine. So if you would want to know how I do this, then proceed with the video. Alright, so I'm done preparing my skin. Naglagay na ako ng moisturizer and all that. Naghilamos na ako. And then naglagay na ako ng primer. I'm done with my foundation routine. So we will just be focusing on our kilay, sa ating eyeshadow, tapos ating lips. So we will start with our kilay. Okay, so sana mapanindigan ko tong kilay ng Korean, no? Kasi straight lang. So hindi ko sanay mag-straight ng aking kilay. Ayun! Good job! Wow! Okay. So that's it for my kilay. So syempre, yung mga Koreans na kilay straight lang, tapos parang brownish, ganun light ang color. So yun ang i-achieve natin. So yun na yung pinaka-straight na nakayanan ko. So pag Korean makeup, yung mga eyeshadows nila usually mga glittery, ganun. So gagamit tayo ng glitters. Shimmers. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes. So ayan, tapos na tayo. Ganun lang kasimple. Just have to make sure that you're just glowing and you know, yung parang woke up like this.
I go by the name of CL21. It's been a long time coming, but we here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours, cause I'm getting mine.
Thanks for watching. Ciao.